This is our second year using iPads in our educational programs, and one of the activities I use it in is with our 4-H livestock skillathon program. And our beef, sheep, and swine skillathons, we've been able to incorporate the iPad in some fashion to enhance the educational experience. Uh, these skillathons usually last 2 to 3 days, depending on the species, and being able to have live animals and or fresh cut meat cuts there for that period of time distracts from uh, the experience for everyone. So we've been able to use some high quality photos, incorporate that into the iPad, as well as some hands-on manipulations with the iPad to actually give them a very good educational experience. Here's an example of a skillathon activity we're going to be using this year. It deals with showmanship, beef showmanship. One of the typical things in showmanship class, they would ask a young person to swap places. For example, if the number 4 individual was asked to move to the second place, there's a correct technique for doing this. The iPad allows us to be able to ask these kinds of questions in a classroom setting without having to be into the show ring. So in this, we'll ask the young person to demonstrate how they would move their animal from the 4th place to the 2nd place. And the proper technique would be to pull forward, make a clockwise turn, come in behind, and using an app called Whiteboard, we're able to illustrate that in a skillathon activity. This will also be excellent in your beef project group meeting prior to the contest to actually show young people the proper showmanship maneuvers prior to the contest.